Formal retail in Zimbabwe is under siege. One regional supermarket chain exited the market late last year, while several other groups have closed branches and retrenched staff. The problems emanate from long-running distortions of the exchange rate on the formal and parallel markets, which has forced formal retailers to price their goods out of the reach of some consumers who now prefer informal downtown tuck shops. Manufacturers are also giving preferential supply to the informal traders, where they are paid cash in US dollars, unbeatable terms for formal retailers who, unlike their informal competitors, are compelled to accept the zig.
So what you're seeing now is a result of that. Companies have been trying to hold on, trying to mitigate, and the results are coming out now. So we need urgent action, obviously, urgent assistance, urgent adjustment of the environment of policy, interventions in order to prevent dropouts from the sector.
Retail industry players want authorities to level the playing field by not only enforcing regulation, but also easing compliance requirements.
I think we should look at our costs of regulation so that they are attractive for the informal sector to formalize, and at the same time they reduce the cost for the existing formal sector. We meet somewhere in the middle, and then we have fair competition and a growing business sector that is competing on a level playing field.
Analysts say it will be a mammoth task to restore parity.
It would take a whole lot more government effort to be able to do that, to be able to bring them to formality and to be able to push them to do the right thing in terms of pricing and in terms of currency acceptance. But there is still scope, now that the exchange rate is a bit stable, that the retailers can stock again and the manufacturers can favor retailers under improved terms.
Players in the retail sector have been in consultation with the central bank and now hope that the authorities will take on board some of their proposals, especially in a forthcoming and eagerly anticipated monetary policy statement. Farai Mwakutuya, CGTN, Harare, Zimbabwe.